Testing. 1, 2, 3.
Video number 3 on the OBS. We found out the hard way. It's the wrong seats in there right now. I think they came off Suburban. So we're gonna take them off tonight, bolted anyways. So we're gonna try these out. These look like the right seats for it. They almost look the same. Either way, I need the middle seat for the baby. So we're gonna try them out, and if they work, we're gonna take them. Hopefully, I don't know if they. We're gonna do that, and then radio install today. So you guys can check it out. Do a quick video. Maybe a little baby depth. But yeah, we're gonna start. Go on side. What? Look, you move fast.
Should be 4 and 2 of them up here. You know what I mean?
Right? Move the camcorder.
This fool really pulling back this carpet. Savage ass fool. Fucking seat. Yeah, there ain't shit under here, fool. This one only takes well, I bet you this one had that bench seat that goes all the way across. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the only way it makes sense.
Bench seat it is, homie. Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna find a bench seat. Oh well. I didn't want to, but I need it.
Fuck, dude.
Yeah, because it's not even supposed for a single seat.
That's just the way the cookie crinkles.
Fucking crinkle, dog. Fucking sick and tired of being sick and tired, dude. Se prende. Fucking
No.
no.
Damn.
Did it fucking die? Oh, that's the lights on.
Damn it.
Fucking dummy. How'd you let me do that?
Hey, wait.
You disconnected it? You're fucking smart. Is it acting up?
Yeah. This light's blinking. Cause I'm telling you, you need the fucking switch. I might be too far gone. Nah, she starts.
Alright. We're gonna have to go find a bench seat. Preferably a blue one. Oh, you want to be on camera?
No.
Oh. Alright, there it is. Progress. We're gonna go look for something to fix that. Oh, the steering column. So the steering column's fucked up. So for some reason the wires are, there's a short somewhere or something. It's not letting it stop from turning. Turn signal keeps going. And I thought it was the emergency, because it's broken, the hazard lights, but it doesn't seem to turn off either way. Need to find a dash and carpet after. I'm not gonna worry about the carpet right now. I'm gonna end up getting it all dirty, cutting shit. Headliner, sunroof. I might not do a sunroof, doesn't really need it. Not my thing. Didn't really like it when I had it on the other truck. Yeah, little by little. Look, these are the ones I had. He had these in there, but they don't bolt up. He never even bolted them in. You know what I mean? Like, he had two of the, I think they came off a Suburban or some shit, I don't know. Or they're just for not my truck. But this one fit, because I only have four bolt holes. 2 here and 2 on that side. That's it. So I can use the other. All right. We're back at the shop. Got some stuff. Look at that. $3 for a iPhone charger. Why not? We're gonna go ahead and do a install. Man, Walmart does not have cheap radios anymore. I remember going in there getting a $20 Bluetooth single in. God damn, I just wanted it for a fucking Bluetooth. Like, well, go ahead and install it real quick. Do a little quick video. Show you how it goes. For those that don't know, it's not that hard. You know, there's always people out there that don't know, so it's good to know. Quick little install. Fairly simple. Everything you need in here. Boom. Hardware. Harness. So this is going to go to the back of the radio, and then these will we will plug into the other harness, or connect the wires with the other wires, and the other plugs into the actual truck harness. So most of it's, you know, it's all color coded, so it's really hard to fuck it up, but you know, sometimes you run into issues or it's different. It's fairly simple. We'll have Pedro record for his channel. We're just gonna do a quick time lapse on mine. So if you want to see exactly how to do it, you can go check Pedro's out. And yeah, let's get to, oh, and we have a Slim. He's Chipapi Rizo. I'll put his info in. He's gonna come wash the seat for me. That's why it's not bolted in. It's just sitting there. He's gonna wash it, get it all cleaned up. And you guys need any detailing or cleaning, washes, hit him up. I'll put his Instagram on here that you can hit him up. But Pedro's gonna go ahead and get started with that. Are you gonna record it? GoPro? No?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get to it. Good to go?
Yeah.
Why you putting it in?
Adapter for the antenna, and then
Oh no, I don't need an antenna.
we still got to put that box in.
Do I have to click? Oh, there you go. Sick. There it is. Gotta put the seat back in.
I got to talk to Pedro how much.
Hey, what? Put the seat back in it. Hell yeah. Little by little. Alright, so we got the AC recharged. And there seems to be a leak. Right there?
Mm-hmm.
Right there. Dark spot, looks like.
Put a little bit of water. You see it bubble up.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
That'll be the next fix. But
That's the AC pressure switch.
AC's AC pressure switch.
Yeah, in case anybody's wondering.
There you go. But I mean, it's cold for now. I wonder how it'll probably be gone tomorrow, huh? Sounds like it's leaking pretty loud.
Yeah.
Anything else said we're doing ground. Oh, what? Ground kit?
Yeah, we're just putting bigger ground and power wires going to
Swap
everything.
Goes right there. Even the alternator,
Yup.
starter.
Yup.
Yeah, there's the seat all cleaned up. Shout out to Reese. Reese. Well, yeah, Reese for the seat, Reese for the cleaning. Yeah. I just gotta get the dash, the carpet, new doors and door panels, headliner. I'm gonna do a black. Yeah, it's pretty much there. Radio works now. I gotta buy the plastic kit to hold it in. Gotta get rid of these. Got the new rubbers for the doors. New visors coming in. What's going on next week? I'm gonna put it on there black, just like that. It's coming along. That's it for this video or videos. I don't know how many I'm gonna edit. That's a wrap.
Wrap that up.